Oh, that's him. Yeah, that's him. Did his thing go up? Like a rooster? You see it?
Yes.
Looking for a babe. Handsome guy, huh? He's not eating our seeds because she likes worms. Let me find out. What do cardinals eat?
According to National Audubon Society, feeds on many insects, including beetles, true bugs, grasshoppers, caterpillars, ants, flies, and many others, also spiders, centipedes, and snails. Most of diet is vegetable matter, including seeds of weeds and grasses, waste grain, leaf buds, flowers, and many berries and wild fruits. Young are fed mostly insects.
They eat mostly bugs.
Look, he's eating my plants. Wow, look at this. Oh my goodness.